I have a big book that I'd like to read to you today. It's called Garden Helpers. And we kind of talked a little bit about how sometimes plants need these little helpers like bees and bugs and things like that to help spread seeds so that it helps things grow, like apples and pumpkins, right? Not all bugs and worms are pests. Some bugs help your garden grow. Earthworms make garden soil rich and healthy. So when these worms go through the soil, they let the air in, and that's important in there too. So those worms are actually really good for the soil. And when they eat, they also go to the bathroom, and that makes the soil more rich. They're what comes out of them. Healthy soil helps plants grow strong. So if they have really good soil that they're growing in, then those plants are gonna grow strong and be able to grow the fruits and vegetables. Are all bugs garden helpers? Some are not. Aphids eat plants. So they're kind of hard to see, but these little tiny green dots all over, those are little bugs called aphids. And the aphids are bad for plants. If the aphids start eating your plant might die. But the good part is that ladybugs like to eat aphids. So sometimes people will go and buy, like people who have nice gardens or farmers or something will go and buy ladybugs and let them loose in their garden so that the ladybugs will eat all the aphids so that the aphids don't eat all their plants. So a ladybug is a garden helper. But a ladybug eats aphids. Ladybugs keep the plants in your garden safe because they eat these bugs, and that keeps your plant safe because those bugs are the ones that like to eat the plant. Doesn't want to turn. There we go. Green lacewings also eat aphids. Young lacewings are called aphid lions because they eat so many aphids. So this bug also eats aphids. Dragonflies eat flying insects that can hurt plants. Some dragonflies eat and fly at the same time. That dragonfly is actually eating this flying bug because that bug's eating the plants. So we like dragonflies. We don't like that these pages don't turn very nicely for me. Here we go. Okay. Praying mantis protect the garden plants from bugs. They eat any bug they can catch. That's a praying mantis, if you ever see one. Not many bugs can get past these quick hunters. Praying mantis. There are many different kinds of spiders. Some are big, some are small. Spiders can help in your garden. This spider catches bugs in its sticky web. It keeps bugs away from your garden. So many of these spiders are really helpful to have in a garden because they'll eat all the bugs that are eating your plants. Caterpillars eat leaves on a plant. They are not garden helpers. Stink bugs eat caterpillars. Now that's the stink bug and that's a caterpillar. Caterpillars grow into butterflies. Butterflies are garden helpers. They carry pollen to help more flowers grow. So when a butterfly is a butterfly and not a caterpillar, it's helpful. But when it's a caterpillar, it's not because it's eating the leaves when it's a caterpillar. But then when it grows up to be a butterfly, it is helpful. So. Oh, so big. Like bigger than my whole body. Okay. Remember to thank the garden helpers that help your plants grow. See, they've got a little garden going on there. Oh, that was just about different plants, different bugs that help plants and bugs that are not so helpful to plants, like aphids, not so helpful. But ladybugs, yes, very helpful because they eat the aphids.